we're going to learn how to sing Who Makes the Fish to Swim in sign language. Come and join me. Let's sing. Who make the fish to swim, fish to swim, fish to swim? Who make the fish to swim? God made them all. Who make the flowers to grow, flowers to grow, flowers to grow? Who make the flowers to grow? God made them all. Who make the birds to fly, birds to fly, birds to fly? Who make the birds to fly? God made them all. Who made you and me, you and me, you and me? Who made you and me? God made us all.